Today we're making bacon. You're safe.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal does not have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes for under $2 a plate.
Bacon! It's salty, it's fatty, it's smoky. Those three things together mean umami, which is a Japanese word for a fifth flavor that we don't really recognize here in the US, but it exists. But now we need to talk about bacon waste, because these shrunk in size. It's bacon shrinkage. It's a condition, and this is what was left. That fat that renders out is totally useful, and no joke, it's got 40% less saturated fats than butter. And the best part is, it saves you money, because you're using more. I'm gonna show you how to use each of them in their own unique and special way. Unique and special, just like you. BLT, it's classic, it's simple, and today we're literally gonna spice it up. Chili, bum, 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 bum. A little bit of salt. Packet drawer, 3 packets of sugar. I'm literally making candied spicy bacon. Just do this shenanigans right here, boom. And that just keeps anything from ruining up the seal. I mean, just when you thought bacon couldn't be any more delicious, you add salt, sugar, and spice. Huh. Boom, boom. Okay, so we have even more sweetness, even more saltiness, even more smokiness. But the coolest thing is that we're gonna cook it on a cookie tray, which is awesome because your apartment, your shack, it doesn't fill with smoke. Watch this. Woohoo! Smells wonderful. It's sweet, it's smoky, it's salty, even more than the original. Let's make our sandwich. $2, BLT, bacon, lettuce, tomato. Oh, it tastes out of this world. And now I'm gonna show you how to use both the bacon and the bacon fat in another dish. Let's talk pasta. Pasta is the original peasant food. Peasant food, struggle meals. And this is loosely based on a classic dish from Italy, and now you can make it at home with ingredients that are readily available and cheap. So our pasta is in, our penne, and what do we have here? We have liquid gold in the form of bacon fat, which is ideal for cooking onions to their optimal cookerage. We cooking with fire, baby. Let those get some color. Crushed red pepper, now's a good time. Also free. Where are we gonna save money? With tomato paste, which is less than $1. Use half of the can. We are gonna make a sauce by using pasta water, bacon fat, which was free, and tomato paste. Look at those pens, right into the sugo. The smell of the bacon fat is happening now. What a wonderful thing. Come in with your bacon. Bacon bits in. Now, I'm a big fan of adding cheese while it's in the pan and really getting it in there. And yes, buy a whole block of cheese. It's cheaper by weight, it tastes better, and it doesn't have any shelf stabilizers. Better for you. It's magic time, baby. Oh, it smells so good. Intense tomato aroma, gorgeous sheen from the cheese and the bacon fat. This is $1.32 per serving. And while it might not be traditional Italian, it follows the fundamentals of Italian cookery. So much umami happening here. Mamma mia, that is so, so good. But wait, we can use the bacon fat to make a delicious dessert. We're making bacon cinnamon cookies. Normally, baking cookies is expensive because butter is a pretty expensive ingredient, but guess what? We get to supplement it with our bacon fat because we cool like that. This is what we're gonna roll them in. Start with some cinnamon. 3 packets of sugar from the drawer. We got flour, baking soda, salt, boom. Homogenize. Now our wet ingredients, butter, boom. Remember that bacon we enjoyed earlier? It has a second life. That bacon fat not only saves money, it just adds that je ne sais quoi. Sugar. Oh my goodness. You don't have to cream this perfectly, but you do want to try to bring it together. Eggs. Boop. Boop. Oh man, that is starting to look really wonderful. All right, peanut butter, it adds protein, it adds flavor, it adds another dimension. Vanilla, just a little bit. Boop. All right, get it together. You can do it. Okay? Here we go. Boom, boom. Be gentle. If you work this too much, gluten is gonna form. And not only will that scare away certain people, it's gonna give you a tough cookie. You don't wanna be a tough cookie. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Spoon, hand, roll, cinnamon sugar, and sheet tray. Cookies, oven, soon to be happy. Look at that. Those are beautiful. Peanut butter, bacon fat, cinnamon. These cookies are 17 cents each. 10 of them is still under $2. Who knew that the fat we normally threw down the drain could also cook onions, could also make cookies? Now we know. Thank you for watching Struggle Meals.